What is up, guys? We're gonna be filming a YouTube video today. Hurricane Helene. I think it's Helene. Yeah. So we're not getting much of it tomorrow. Like, this is about as worse as it's gonna get. Can't really see the rain, but maybe you can. Yeah, well. Here, I get absolutely drenched with rain. Oh, a little river. Is here, so I'll be filming another YouTube video on this. It's like just explaining the stuff, but anyway. So, I am lucky to be a citizen of South Carolina. Lucky to be a Charlestonian from Charleston. Because if I was from Florida, I would be scared because this thing, Cat 3, Cat 4, ran to Florida. And to Florida. And yeah, so it's supposed to really hit its like panhandle in northern like Florida and its eastern panhandle. So like a little bit away from Tallahassee. Tallahassee, you're gonna get some wind. I think last time I checked, it was around about 110 to 100. I'm just gonna say 110 to 130 mile per hour winds right now. So all I want to say is everyone in Florida, especially like northern Florida and like eastern panhandle, I really hope that I just hope that this goes well for you. If you're watching this video and are from Florida, I just hope you all are okay, okay? Hope that you all okay. And I hope that this thing goes by quick and there's as less damages as possible. So yeah, I'll look into this more, I think later today or maybe tomorrow. But yes, this is it. I think it's only going to be like this for today and tomorrow. It's not good thing it's not like 4 days instead of Tuesdays because I do not want other Debbie. Debbie was insane because it was basically just like this, but for 4 days in a row. Also, I don't know if I said this or not. Let's see. I live in Charleston. Charleston, it doesn't get that much tornadoes. Even though it might be flat, even though it might be really close to Dixie Alley, it does not get much tornadoes. But we got a tornado. I think on Monday night, Debbie, that's when I think it started moving that's the only time it moved fast over us. And it moved fast over us. Moved fast over us like on Monday kind of night, so we had more wind speeds. Multiple tornadoes. I think that tornado noise sounded on is, say in the comments, what is worse, a tornado or the tornado alarm thing? I honestly have no idea. And there's a bunch of winds. There was a tornado at Edisto Island. Hopefully they were okay. West Ashley, which I think the one at West Ashley, where I live, I think it was like it was like the one that was essentially, it wasn't really that strong, so everyone was okay. Also, Monk's Corner got a tornado. Hopefully everyone was okay then. And yeah. And just so you know, through all those tornadoes, all that wind speeds, see, I have a habit of sleeping through some crazy storms, so slept right all through it all. All through it. I think that is the second time I have slept through tornadoes. One was, I think, a really long time ago that my mom recently just told me. Yeah, I'll probably keep you posted today. This is Hurricane Helene. And yeah. Also, with Hurricane Debbie, we did get to go kayaking back in those woods. I did get to go kayaking with my friends. That was really fun. Well, it wasn't really that fun because because the thing is, you don't know how many times one of them said that there was a spider on my back, and like there was like, just so you know, there was so many bugs out there, and I got so many bugs in me, like I had to take a shower after of how itchy I was. So yeah, so Hurricane Helene. Hopefully everyone in Florida is okay. Peace.